Why it should be normal to stop consuming sugar knowing that it has so many negative effects on the human body. Too much of added sugar may lead to obesity, diabetes, and bad dental health. When you stop taking added sugar, it can help to improve your body system and protect you from getting some dangerous diseases. Sometimes when you stop taking added sugar, it can affect your physical and mental health. The way everyone reacts to quitting sugar is quite different, but the following are things that may happen to your body when you stop taking added sugar. They include the following. 1. You may feel depressed as a result of removing added sugar from your diet. This may be a result of a reduction in dopamine release from the brain. 2. You may experience dizziness when you stop taking added sugar. 3. You may develop cognitive issues which may make it difficult for you not to concentrate properly or remember things. 4. Some may experience changes in their sleep pattern when they decide to stop taking sugar. 5. You may start craving for foods high in carbohydrates like bread, pasta, chips, and other foods rich in carbohydrates. How to manage the effects of removing added sugar from your diet. The following are ways to manage the effects of removing added sugar from your meal. 1. Eating foods high in protein can help to keep you full and reduce your craving for sugary food items. 2. Increasing your intake of fiber can help to keep you full and improve your sugar blood level. 3. Taking enough water can help you stay hydrated. Instead of taking sugary drinks, you can take water. 4. Exercising regularly can help you manage your sugar intake by keeping you fit and full of energy. Avoiding added sugar can help improve your overall health.